everyone, welcome back to Best Out of West. Thinking of buying the Delonghi all-in-one combination coffee maker, or maybe you already have it and you're running into a few issues. In this video, we are breaking down some most common problems users face and more importantly, how to fix them. So let's jump in. Missing built-in grinder. Let's start with one of the first things people notice. This machine doesn't come with a built-in grinder. That means you will either have to buy pre-ground coffee or invest in a good burr grinder. Trust me, it makes a difference. Freshly ground beans is equal to better coffee every time. Manual espresso operation. The espresso side of this machine is fully manual. So yes, you will need to prime the machine and froth your own milk. It takes some practice, but once you get the hang of it, you can make barista style drinks at home. Water leakage from drip tray. Here's a messy one. Some user reported water leaking from the drip tray. That usually happens when it's full and hasn't been emptied. There is actually a little red float that pops up when it's time to clean it out. So just keep an eye on that and you will avoid a mess. Steam wand issues. The steam wand super useful, but it can be a little finicky. If you are getting weak steam or weird spurts, it probably needs a good clean. After each use, wipe it down and purge it with steam to clear any milk residue inside. Cleaning and maintenance. Speaking of cleaning, some parts of this machine can be a bit tricky to clean, like the golden filter. If that's too much hassle, try using paper filter instead. And don't forget to descale every couple of months. It keeps your coffee tasting fresh and your machine running smoothly. And there you have it, some common problems and simple fixes for the DeLonghi all-in-one coffee maker. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tips. Thank you. See you next time.